Autonomous vehicles are awesome and will rule our roads in the future. But until now, sometimes they are a bit unreliable. We don't want that, but how to prevent this?
With superheroes!
I'm not Batman. I am the VR man.
VR Man can see the environment of the Roboy rickshaw in real time, and with his special handlebar, he can control the real rickshaw as if he was the one who rides it.
Now it's up to you.
Be the superhero and take over the control of the Roboy rickshaw wherever you like. Give Roboy a rest of his exhausting pedaling and make the world a safer place.
I'm not Batman. I am the VR man. I'm not Batman. I'm the VR man. I'm not Batman. I am the VR man.